Hello everyone, this is Sam from 𝐦𝐨𝐬𝐿.com, and this is a video of another little Hijet deck van that we've got. This one's in black, as you can see, nice set of aftermarket alloy wheels. It's a tidy little truck, and half a van, half a pickup, as the name implies, deck van. And this one's got a diamond plate or checker plate cover on the back, which is useful. You can keep things dry in there a bit. It's got the usual drop down back tailgate. Being a van, it's got 4 seats as well, so inside here you'll see these seats are in nice condition too. Just start the engine. It's done 17,000 Ks, it's about 11,000 miles, not very much. It's got dual sliding doors, which if you don't close the back you can't open. There you go. There we are. Bench seat in the back, 3-point belts for those, like a car in the front. Automatic transmission, it's 2 or 4-wheel drive as well. Press that button there and you get 4-wheel drive, like that. Now this is being sold in the US as an off-road only vehicle, so it's in comparison with the ATV, and when you draw that comparison you see it's got dual airbags, one over there as well, air conditioning, heater, fully enclosed cabin, switchable 4-wheel drive, cigarette lighter, electric windows. Windows are manual on the back, but you can wind them down. So it's pretty good if you want to keep dry, get around your property and have a look what's going on in some comfort. You'll see there that when you've got the other side open, it's a straight through van. So this will be coming to the US very shortly. It's going to be shipped out very soon, and if you're interested in this vehicle, one like this, or you think you can do some good being a distributor for us in America, have a look on our website 𝐸𝐵𝐼𝐚𝐴𝐼.com, and thanks very much for watching.